from your mouth, and there's
From your mouth.
Now just put your hands to the air. Live my life. Only to you can I be faithful. So I say sorry, hope that you can understand. Yeah. So I say sorry.
Oh, do your Mexican, your Spanish guitar, please.
My name is even mentioned.
Oh, do it! Come on, Aussie! Do your dance! You stay here!
Ay. Once upon a time in Mexico, I was walking through the village.
And I seen a horse.
In the middle of the forest of Santa Fe, there once lived an ugly prince named Santa Fe. Oh, I take that back.
She swear!
The princess and the frog. My eyes!
Aussie, beat her up! Aussie, beat her up!
Thanks a lot, Sonia. Now I can't listen to music anymore.
You can't read lyrics.
My eyes! How am I gonna taste food?
Are you gonna what?
Taste food. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Hey, it's a good thing.
My eyes!
I'm sorry, Lawrence.
Oh, you better not be recording this.
He just said, ow, you know how I'm supposed to taste food?
I hate What? Never seen a pimp daddy in blind before?
I'm sorry. Gosh, such a crybaby.
You should grab him. If I were to